Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number ASB1052. This is your 5.70 by 8 trailer tire mounted on the 4-lug white wheel. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your 5.70 by 8 tire mounted on the white 4-lug wheel. It has a 4x4 bolt pattern, so it's 4-lug, and it's 4 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. The center bore hole right here is 2 3/4. It's a 0 offset wheel, so it's centered on the tire right here. It's a 4-ply, if you can see that. It's rated for 715 pounds. It has a speed rating of M, so 81 miles per hour, load range B, and it's a 50 PSI tire. It comes aired up, ready to install, and we'll just measure it out real quick so you can see. So the overall diameter, or height, is going to be about 17.5 inches, and the width of this guy is going to be about 5 inches. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.